a cow. It's a cow.
It's a cow. What does a cow say, Andre? Hi, Hazel.
Wow, look, oh. Look, mommy's milking the cow.
Oh, wow. Thanks, cow. Thanks, cow, for the milk. Thank you. What does a bunny do, Andre? Hop, 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 hop.
Hi, little bunny. Oh, can you hold the bunny?
Hi.
Hold the bunny. Here, let go. Like so. Wow, it's fluffy. It's fluffy. Look, oh.
Hi, dog. Muy gentle.
Gentle.
Hi, dog. Hop, 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 hop.
Again. Hi. The bunny back.
Bye, bunny. Bye-bye, dog. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Bye.
What does the dog say? Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack, quack, quack.
Bye, Chick.
Goodbye.
So nice to see you, Chick.
Okay, bye-bye. Wow, gentle hand. It's good.
Bye. Bye. Andre, washing.
Let's put some soap. Put some soap.
Daddy's doing a nice job.
Hindi ka lang mabasa na ito, Andre. Oh, can you put it there? Oh, how many more do you need?
One more.
You need one more. Wow.
Good
you completed it.
job.
Oh, close it. Close it. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for collecting.
Very
the
good,
eggs.
Andre.
Wow, we have eggs.
Bak, 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 bak. Say hi. Bak, 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 bak. Bak, 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 bak.
Hi, chicken.
Hi, chicken. Bak, 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 bak.
See the goats.
Careful.
Okay.
Wow. Andre, are you going to feed the goats?
Yes.
Yes. Feed the goats with Daddy.
Okay. Okay.
Dancing bird.
Wow. That's a deer.
Deer.
Yes, hi, goat.
That's a goat. Goat, yes.
Oh, look, oh, it's a goat.
Ooh. Hi, goat. Hi, dear.
Oh, look.
They're hungry. They're super hungry. They've been eating all morning, but they're still hungry. Andre.
What does the sheep say?
What does the sheep say, Andre? Oh, ano man- Moo. What does the cow say?
Andre, what's that? What's that?
What's that?
Look, whoa, what's that?
Goat.
Whoa, it's a goat.
Goat. What is it?
Goat.
Goat. And?
Wow.
Wow.
It's a Wow.
Are you excited?
Huh?